Hi, Doug from J.Racenstein. Talk about some products that we use on our houses when we're soft washing. Sometimes you'll come across stains that you just can't remove. Oxidation is a tough one. We've come up with a special product called Cleansol. It takes oxidation off houses like butter. It's incredible. But I did run into a problem where I oversprayed my house with DRP 2 years ago. This has been sun-baked. I tried all kinds of chemicals to get it off. So what I did, I got me some Cleansol. I tested it here. You can see, I put it on, I agitated it, and I rinsed with water. Gone. So now I just have the rest of the house to do. If you want to fight oxidation and get it off your siding in your houses, this is the best chemical in the market. Cleansol by J.Racenstein. Get you some today.